Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you hit that subscribe button in the next 3 seconds, something amazing will happen to you in the next 6 hours. Don't miss out, try it now and see the magic. Sparkles. Back in the day, barley rice was something people ate because white rice wasn't an option. Now, we live in a time when barley rice is consumed for its health benefits. It's especially good for diabetes, hypertension, and overall health. Those watching this video might reflect on how times have truly changed. But does this mean you have to eat barley rice for every meal for the rest of your life? Today, I'll explain how to make barley rice more delicious, its benefits beyond just diabetes, and everything you need to know about barley rice. Barley can be cooked entirely on its own, known as kongborap, or 100% pure barley rice. Many mixed rice varieties, like millet or sorghum rice, use white rice or barley combined with ingredients like beans or vegetables. Barley rice stands out because it can be made entirely with just barley. Interestingly, brown rice reduces diabetes risk by only 16%, while mixed grain rice reduces it by 36%. Barley rice, falling into this category, makes for an excellent option. Why is barley so beneficial? Barley, unlike brown rice, belongs to mixed grains, especially effective for managing diabetes due to its high dietary fiber content, particularly soluble fiber. Soluble fiber has a profound effect on blood sugar levels. Barley is exceptionally rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber highly beneficial for diabetes. Barley ranks among the top grains for beta-glucan content, surpassing even nutrient-rich foods like borrelia leaves. Among grains and vegetables, barley consistently ranks in the top 2, alongside beans, for soluble dietary fiber content. This high beta-glucan concentration helps control blood sugar, making barley a top choice for managing diabetes. While other foods like shiitake mushrooms and kidney beans contain soluble fiber, barley ranks among the top 3 for overall health benefits. Some barley varieties have even higher soluble fiber levels, making it an exceptional choice for blood sugar control. Types of barley. Barley comes in 2 main types: hull barley, and pearl barley, pearl barley. Hull barley has a tough outer husk that's difficult to remove, while pearl barley is cultivated for easier husk removal, making it more convenient to cook. Among pearl barley types, glutinous barley, chow barley, is more digestible but raises blood sugar faster. Barley can also be processed into forms like flour, flakes, or splits. Hull barley typically retains 59 to 67% of its original fiber, while pearl barley retains 67 to 72%. Even after polishing, barley maintains more dietary fiber than brown rice, making it highly nutritious. Cooking hull barley can be challenging due to its tough texture, often requiring soaking or pre-boiling. For convenience, processed forms like steamed barley flakes, armig, or crushed barley, hallock, are easier to cook and retain much of the nutrition. Adding a small amount of soju while cooking can improve texture and boost antioxidants. However, this should be avoided by pregnant women or children due to trace alcohol content. Beta-glucan and its benefits. Beta-glucan, a soluble dietary fiber in barley, plays a critical role in managing blood sugar and cholesterol. Hull barley contains about 1.7 grams of soluble fiber per 100 grams, while pearl barley can contain up to 4.6 grams. This exceptional fiber content makes barley a standout grain for diabetes management. Beta-glucan in barley is particularly effective compared to other sources like mushrooms, making barley the best grain for blood sugar and cholesterol regulation. Research is ongoing to improve barley varieties, such as Korea's beta-1 barley with 11.4% beta-glucan and another variety with 14.2%. Studies supporting barley's benefits. Several studies confirm barley's effectiveness. A 2009 study by Toshima University showed barley causes smaller blood sugar spikes compared to glucose or white rice. A 2017 study at Atta Women's University involving 100 obese participants found that barley reduced body weight, BMI, and waist circumference significantly. A 2021 study on diabetic patients revealed significant blood sugar reductions after consuming barley rice for 9 days. Beyond diabetes, beta-glucan also aids in cholesterol reduction. A 2009 meta-analysis by the University of Connecticut showed barley reduces total cholesterol by 13.3% and LDL cholesterol by 10%. A 2016 meta-analysis by the University of Toronto found similar results, confirming barley's cholesterol-lowering benefits. Barley versus rice. Barley's dietary fiber and glycemic index make it superior to rice for managing diabetes. However, rice and barley each have unique strengths. Barley contains more vitamin B2, choline, and potassium, while rice is richer in vitamin B1, pantothenic acid, and manganese. A balanced approach, mixing barley with brown rice, offers the best of both worlds. Alternating between the two ensures a well-rounded nutritional profile. For diabetic patients, replacing white rice with barley or a mixed grain option provides significant health benefits, particularly for blood sugar and cholesterol management. If you enjoyed this video or found the information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends and family who care about health and wellness. Let's spread the word about the amazing benefits of barley rice together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.